Okay, ready. Hello, my fellow programmers. I'm going to be talking you through our app quiz. I'm going to get straight in, then press run. Any further details can be found on the report and the zip file. We are given an option to press A if we have a username already, or B if we want to register a username. I'm going to press A just to show you what happens if I enter a username that isn't actually registered in the text file. So I put Q and it tells me that this doesn't exist. I can either put a username that does exist, or I can press C to exit, which will stop the game, and I can run again. And then I am given the same option, and I can press B to register. I'll just register as we and enter my password, which can also be we. And it greets me to the quiz, and I can press 1 to play. And the next option is to press 1 for one player, 2 for two player, or 3 for playing with the computer. For now, I'm just going to play by myself. Yes, by myself. And it says here to type yes if I want to continue playing, or type exit if I want to stop. And I can stop at any point in the quiz if I'm feeling like I don't want to continue. So what is the state of ice? I'm just going to press 1 to show you what happens if it's correct. Just tells me it's correct. If for the next question, if I get it wrong, it tells me, oh, that was the right answer, sorry. The protons and neutrons are in there. I'm going to get this one wrong and say core. And then it says, for the next question, I want to show you what happens if I press skip. It goes directly to the next question without a comment or anything. If I press cheat, which is 5, it'll give me the answer and it'll go straight to the next question. If I were to press something that's not in the options, it'll tell me to type in one that's in the option and repeat the same question, and then I can press the right answer. That was correct. Oh, okay. And then, yep, this is correct too, and that's not correct. Continue playing, and then at the end it tells me the score that I get, and I can either press 1 to continue playing or exit. I just press 1 to continue playing, and we're going to show you more of the features of the quiz. My partner will show you what happens when you press 2.
So now when I press 2, it initiates the 2-player feature of our app, and it asks whether or not I want to continue or if I want to exit. You can also exit the game at any point by typing exit, as it says on screen. So first of all, player 1's turn, and I'm player 1, so I'm just going to chuck in my answers. Fairooza will be player 2, just throwing in her answers. Yeah. As you can see, it alternates between player 1 and player 2 throughout the whole game until you get to the end. Each score is out of 4. As you can see, player 1 gets 2 out of 4, and it converts this into a percentage, and player 2 also got 2 out of 4. So it's been a tie. If it's not a tie, it does say who won. So now I'm going to press 1 so that we can play against the computer, and 3 is a computer option. Fairooza will continue.
Okay, for the computer, it's again the same process. We press yes if you want to continue, exit if you want to leave. And for me, the player, I'm just going to press 1. As it tells me it's correct. And then the computer gets a turn, and it computes what the computer got. Then it's my turn again. And if I were to put 4 as skip, it lets the computer have a go, and then it goes to my turn. If I were to say cheat, it gives me the answer. It tells me what the computer said, and also what whether it's the computer got it right or wrong. If I were to put an invalid term like 8, the computer doesn't have a turn, and the question is repeated, so it gives me another chance to put an answer that is going to be, which will have a solution. And we can carry on playing with the computer in this manner until we get to the very end, which will have a scoreboard telling me that I get 22% and the computer got 55%. So the computer has won this time, and these are our features of the app, and we can successfully exit the game. Thank you for watching.